Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeyer. We're back here in our lab. Today we're actually going to talk about something new that we're doing to our reconditioned parts and repairs that come in and out of our lab here at ISA. It's going to be the new warranty code stickers. Let's take a look. What I've got here in my hand is a circuit board that's already been through the repair process here at ISA. Remember, there used to be etched actual warranty codes on the board itself. Well, we replaced that with this barcode sticker. It makes this easier to track your repair and keep up with your warranty code. Also, you'll see this little circular sticker that actually has the technician's initials on it who actually did the work here in the lab. So if you have questions trying to find these stickers on your repairs or reconditioned parts that you've got from your account manager here at ISA, give us a call. Make sure you take a look at these. We'll be glad to help. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.